Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use slicer in protected Excel sheet. So let's start this my Excel, and in this sheet you can see I have a one pivot table with the slicer. So here I'm show you when you protect the sheet you can use the slicer here. For that just right click on the slicer and click on the size and properties options, and here in format slicer in properties just untick this option so you can use the slicer after the protect this sheet. So I just close this, and after that on sheet name the pivot just right click on the mouse and click on the protect sheets options, and here just click on this option use pivot table and pivot chart. Just click on it, and after that enter the password those you want to protect this sheet. So I just click on the password, re-enter the same password and click on OK, and that's it. Your sheet is protected now. Now you can easily use the slicer with the protected sheets. If you want to clear the filter, just click on it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.